Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Quick Guide. Today's video is on how to download and install JEFIT, JEFIT Gym Workout Plan Tracker, which is an application which helps to plan our training or workout and track our progress. To do so, follow some simple steps which I will show you guys, and make sure your Wi-Fi is connected. Now open your App Store or Play Store and search for JEFIT Gym Workout Plan Tracker. You can see the app here. Click on the download arrow to download it. It might take some time to get downloaded depending upon the internet connection. Here you can see the app has been downloaded. Open it and enjoy its feature. Now you can use it for your workouts. You can click on get started to start the app. So that's all for this video guys. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for our latest videos, and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.